These cunts. Armed police and a dog. They've sent armed police out and a dog to explore a homeless person's tent. What the fuck is this about? This is Brighton, Tuesday morning, 10th of April, 2018. This is horrific. What the fuck is going on? Look, they've been doing a little operation all morning, getting the council workers to talk to each other and tell everybody where we are. I have no idea who's in that tent, but look at them. Why would they bring an armed police and a dog to a homeless person's tent? And this is the fascist state of England, folks. Oh look, they're disappointed now because they can't have a fight. Right, this is live and direct from Brighton seafront. This is fucking appalling. Make this viral. This is England. This is fucking bullshit.